Today, we're going to be talking about 5 ways to know if artificial intelligence will disrupt your current role. As AI technology continues to evolve, its potential to disrupt traditional roles in the workplace becomes increasingly apparent. From automating routine tasks to transforming customer interactions, AI is simply reshaping the landscape of various industries. Understanding the ways AI might impact your current role is essential to staying ahead and adapting to these changes. In today's episode, we will explore 5 key ways AI could disrupt your current job and provide solutions to help you navigate this evolving landscape. So, here are 5 ways AI might disrupt your current role, along with examples of attributes for such roles and some solutions to stay ahead. The first is routine task and automation. As AI technology continues to advance, roles heavily reliant on routine and repetitive tasks will certainly undergo significant transformation. By automating mundane processes, AI will not only enhance efficiency but also free up valuable time for more strategic initiatives. It is crucial to recognize which aspects of your role could be streamlined by AI. Embracing this shift early can help you stay ahead and focus on areas that require human ingenuity and creativity. Now, what are some attributes under routine task and automation? These are roles that involve repetitive and manual tasks, such as data entry, scheduling, and just basic customer support. I think a solution, if you fall into this bracket, is to upskill yourself and be able to handle more complex, value-added tasks that require human intuition and creativity. Learn to manage and maintain AI systems to become indispensable in the new workflow. Next.
Hey, before we go on to the next point, have you clicked on the subscribe button? Please click on the subscribe button, like the video, help with the YouTube algorithm.
Data analysis and pattern recognition. In the era of big data, the ability of AI to quickly analyze and identify patterns within vast data sets is a game changer. Roles centered around data entry may find themselves evolving as AI takes on more of these responsibilities. While AI can process data at lightning speed, the human touch is still needed for nuanced interpretation and strategic application. And now learning to work alongside AI in this capacity can amplify your capabilities and maintain your relevance. What are some attributes for data analysis and pattern recognition? Well, roles focused on analyzing data, such as market analyst, financial analyst, and research assistants. I think one solution here could be to develop expertise, if you fall into this bracket, in AI and machine learning to complement your data analysis skill, focusing on interpreting AI-generated insight and making strategic decisions based on these insights. The next, predictive task and decision making. AI's predictive analytics capability are set to revolutionize roles that depend on forecasting and decision making based on historical data. By leveraging AI, businesses can now make more accurate predictions and informed decisions. However, understanding how to interpret and define these predictions is where human expertise remains invaluable. Staying ahead or staying informed about AI advancements and integrating them into your decision-making process will be key in thriving in this evolving landscape. What are some attributes for such roles? Roles that involve forecasting and making decisions based on historical data. Any role that falls into this category, I think, has a risk of potentially dealing with AI disruption. What solution do I think? Well, gain efficiency in AI algorithm and predictive modeling, emphasizing your human judgment and problem-solving ability to redefine AI outputs and make more informed decisions. Next is customer support or customer interaction and support. With AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants becoming more sophisticated, the landscape of customer interaction and support is rapidly changing. Roles in customer service, sales, and technical support will see AI handle very basic queries, allowing human agents to focus on more complex and nuanced interactions. Embracing AI as a tool rather than a threat can enhance your efficiency and improve customer satisfaction. Developing strong emotional intelligence and problem-solving skills will be essential in this new dynamic. What is an attribute with regards to customer interaction? I think roles in customer service will be affected in sales and in technical support. And these are places where AI can handle basic queries and support tickets. Solutions, I think, people in this category should focus on building strong emotional intelligence and communication skills, specialize in handling very complex customer issues that require, a lot of human touch and empathy. And lastly, content creation generation. AI's ability to generate content from writing to design is advancing at an impressive pace. Creative roles may face disruption as AI takes over tasks such as drafting articles, creating graphics, and editing videos. However, the unique human touch in creativity and innovation cannot be replaced by AI. And we think that by leveraging AI tools to streamline routine tasks, you can focus on producing high quality, original content that stands out in the competitive market. What are some attributes for roles in content creation and generation? I think roles in content creation, such as copywriting and graphic design and video editing, will be disrupted because AI could generate some of this basic content. I would say you should hone your skills if you are in this category to produce unique and high quality content that stands out. Learn to use AI tools to enhance your creativity and streamline your workflow. In conclusion, the rise of AI presents both challenges for your career and opportunities for professionals across different fields. By recognizing the area where AI is likely to disrupt your current role, you can proactively develop the necessary skills to remain relevant. Embracing AI as a tool to enhance your capabilities rather than viewing it as a threat will empower you to thrive in the AI-driven future. I also think that continuous learning and adaptation will be key to navigating this dynamic environment and ensuring long-term success. Thank you for listening to this episode. Feel free to share, like, and comment, and see you at the next episode of 9 to 5 and Thriving.